Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to another world at 8404 French Hill Road in Naples.
This is a one-of-a-kind hilltop country estate with a magnificent home, acreage, and currently a phenomenal bed and breakfast.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This newer home with historic charm welcomes you with a sprawling front porch for enjoying the country breeze and views of the hills. Perfect for welcoming family and friends.
This home is a complete showstopper with high-end finishes and phenomenal open living. Featuring a designer white and bright kitchen with soft-close Brookhaven cabinetry, Corian countertops with a center island breakfast bar, recessed and pendant lighting, and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to the family room with a stunning brick fireplace and mantel, and a wet bar, perfect for entertaining. Plus pocket doors to the light and bright sunroom with a wall of windows, crown molding, and patio access. The first floor also features a convenient powder room, formal living room or greeting room with crown molding, a bay window, and hardwood floors, leading to the elegant dining room with exceptional woodworking in the crown molding and chair rail. The craftsmanship is impeccable. This special home features a separate first floor wing with a relaxing first floor owner's suite with a bay window with nature views and crown molding wrapping around to the walk-in closet and a spa bathroom. Plus a laundry room, walk-in pantry, and 2 double door pantries. The storage is phenomenal.
The grand allure continues heading upstairs through the 2-story foyer with a gorgeous staircase leading to an office, 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms, including this ultimate owner's suite with cathedral ceilings, beautiful hardwood floors, and French doors to the spacious spa bathroom to pamper yourself.
The stunning interior continues in the walkout lower level suite with a living area with access to a private patio, a spacious bedroom, and a spa bathroom with a jetted tub. Imagine relaxing the evenings away. Plus exceptional storage and a geothermal HVAC system.
The architectural features of this quality-built property is just spectacular, both exterior and interior, and is evident in the details, along with the 3-car garage for spacious storage for kayaks and any vehicles.
Enjoy the peaceful country lifestyle with a covered porch overlooking the natural stone fire pit, perfect for gathering around in the evenings, complemented with the soothing sounds of a waterfall, all with vast acreage, scenic natural woods, and breathtaking hilltop views, perfect for the outdoor enthusiast.
This rare property has a great location in the heart of the Finger Lakes region, nearby Hunt Hollow Ski Resort and Bristol Mountain, Canadice Lake, Honeoid Lake, Naples with great restaurants and shops, plus Canandaigua Lake. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 8404 French Hill Road, another world in Naples.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!